One of the things I've seen more and more are couples that they own a house together, they have children together, and they are not married. I mean, because obviously it's going to be similar to a divorce if they separate because they have to deal with the custody and the assets and all the things. They just don't have a marriage.
If there is no marriage, you're not going to, you'll be in a parentage case, right? Because if you've got children together, but you won't be in a full, any kind of dissolution case, because as far as the law is concerned, there's no marriage.
Yeah.
So what's going to apply is as if you were two third parties that maybe own a house. You don't have what are really the protections of the family court. And family court really does favor marriage and really does favor giving spouses as equal access to assets, debts, etc., as much as possible. If you want to, if a spouse was, let's say, one of the people that you're talking about was a stay-at-home spouse, and let's say all the assets were in the owner's name, the earning spouse's name, and that could be the woman or the man, you're walking away with no property.
Yeah.
You don't have rights to spousal support. It means payment for services rendered during the marriage. And that can be, anything from, if your husband, let's say it's a husband was an executive and you entertained and you cleaned and you put together the parties and you raised the kids, what would be the costs for having to hire someone to do that?
I think that one of the reasons they don't get married is so that they can just, quote unquote, walk away if it doesn't work out, right? But that's not really what happens, I'm sure.
Well,
not with kids in a house and all that,